Here it is. Husqvarna 460. I like the exhaust system. A lot of chainsaws seem to copy the Husqvarna design, and who knows where that really comes from to begin with. Some say McCulloch, not McCulloch, McCulloch. Okay, so we got the quick start guide, owner's manual. It actually comes with a bar cover, but we got this at Lowe's and they didn't have the bar cover. So we get the caps, oil, gas, okay, and a little combo wrench. Cool. Hang on, let me get you guys set up over here. You see, get you on the rail system. There we go. Okay. Get right back. Things. Get the bolt this chain cover. Let me go get a. I guess we got this. We'll just use it. So, this is what I've been doing for the last 4 years. Basically, homesteading on this little lot, trying to get some more sunlight into this yard. We've expanded the lawn a great deal. We came here, retired couples that don't like to put that much time and energy into lawn work, but with the kids, we wanted to have more of a lawn and be able to, do some gardening. Did my first year of Superhot peppers last year, and we did the Reapers, North Carolina Reapers. We did the white ghost pepper, red ghost pepper, and Moruga scorpions, which used to, the ghost used to be the hottest in the world, back in the day, 20 years ago. And then the scorpion, Moruga scorpion, took over after that. And then the Reaper knocked the scorpion off. So I started growing all three of those. Went to site online, Jimmy Pickles, bought a bunch of new extreme seeds. So this year we're gonna have some fun. A bunch of chocolate peppers, and I got whites, reds, yellows. So it'll be good. But we're gonna expand the garden this year. So it's important that we get these tree situation sorted out. Let me get this thing gassed and oiled up. We have to, you buy this at Lowe's, as long as you buy the fuel, Husqvarna makes their own fuel product. If you buy a gallon of that, they give you an extra 2-year or 1-year warranty. So it comes with a 3-year warranty. No more working on chainsaws, which is good for me. Not the most mechanically inclined, so I've had to learn a lot just going on the fly there. So I like the 3-year warranty. That's awesome. Let's get it fueled up. All right, so here we go. We got the Husqvarna X-Guard Premium all-season fuel. Bought that with the chainsaw. It gets hot here in North Carolina in the summer. That's the barred chain oil. Here's the Husqvarna X Plus fuel oil, pre-mixed. You buy that, you get the extra warranty, so what the heck, right? Comes with these caps, temporary caps, just in place of the fuel line, covering the gas tank, make sure nothing gets in there. Okay, you got a fuel line in there, filters on it. Just peel these off. It's jammed a little bit. Okay, there we go. Pop them off. Squeeze that. Goes right in when it's not raining. There we go. Okay, so oil. Accessible ports. I like that. Nothing's in the way, like a bar. I usually just cut a little triangle here and then put a little hole behind it for easy flow. Okay, just not really gonna do any cutting right now. Just get about that halfway. That's a big tank. It's good. Don't have to keep stopping when you're cutting. Alright, get the cap on that. So I was real excited about getting this chainsaw. And I did some research, and I think Husqvarna might last a little longer. You don't get into a 4-stroke issue when it's revving high and going through the wood. You know, the barking. So, and everything I've seen, Husqvarna seems to be a pretty solid product that'll last a while. So the warranty doesn't hurt. I'm gonna put a full tank in there. Again, you buy this with the chainsaw, 3-year warranty. So if anything happens, bring it right back. They'll either fix or replace it. Okay, there we go. Get that on there nice and tight. All right. Not gonna get this too wet. Okay. Just make sure you don't have to mix anything in this fuel. It's already pre-mixed. Yep. No mixing required. Okay, so comes with a primer bulb here. Okay, right above the handle, the pulley handle, little primer bulb. You want to make sure that's full. Pardon me. There we go. An extra screw. It does have a decompression button. Pretty high compression, I guess. Choke. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay. Choke in. Now, depending on who you talk to, when you first get it, you don't want to rev it up that high. Let the pistons and the rings break into the engine, and you want to let it idle through maybe a half a tank or a whole tank. Let the chainsaw break in. So I'm gonna bring it in the garage, let it idle. Leave the door open, of course. Sounds good. It's a screamer, it is. Compared to what I was running, it's kind of junk. Except for that derail, which I want to get fixed. It's under warranty. you know, I bought a 3-year limited warranty, but you know, I don't want to have to keep messing with it. I've had it for a month and a half, so I'm taking out more trees. We want something reliable. That's the Husqvarna. All right, guys, that's all for now. We'll check in with you later, man. Have a good one. God bless.